Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my August 2020 Boxycharm Premium unboxing. I get so happy and excited when I get my monthly Boxycharm boxes, and I'm pretty new to the premium boxes, so they are extra exciting for me. Seriously, like my birthday was yesterday, but it feels like the birthday gifts and celebration continue with this gift from me to me. So this is the $35 a month Boxycharm Premium box, and I love beauty subscription boxes if you didn't already know. I get all three of the Ipsy glam bags, the $12 glam bag, the $25 glam bag plus, and the $50 glam bag ultimate. I also get the Boxycharm Premium every month and the regular Boxycharm, which should be here very soon as well. I already got all of my Ipsy glam bags and I posted my unboxing and unbagging of those on my channel, and I love sharing my unboxings with you all. I also do full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products that I get as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series, which leads up to my monthly full face makeup tutorials that I do using all of my Ipsy products and all of my Boxycharm products. So I'm very excited for the content to come this month. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on the post notification bell if you want to see all of those videos. But now let's get into the reveal. Okay, so I always get questions about what the weight of my Boxycharm boxes are so that you can know if you have the same box as me, but I don't see a weight on here. How do I figure out how much my box weighs to let you all know? Also, I'm a little concerned. It looks like something broke through, stabbed my box. Hopefully all my products are okay. But let's go ahead and check it out. It does come securely packaged with the foam here, so I think my products look like they're fine. Oh no, I don't see a product information card in this. And I'm supposed to get a product card. They didn't email it to me. Oh, I'm so bummed. I feel like it's missing. Well, that's not off to the best start. Why don't I just go ahead and start pulling out my products. So here I have the After Spa Slip-On Exfoliator. It says it's to remove sunless tanner. It's kind of like a sponge. You know, I actually use one of these in the shower every day, and I could probably switch mine out now. The one that I currently use is very similar to this, so that's cool. Okay, I found this on the After Spa website for $18. That is a lot more expensive than I would have expected. This seems like a very random product to get in Boxycharm, but I'm not mad about it. Next up, I have Dermalesit XL Lash Volumizer. So I do not know this brand. It's an eyelash and eyebrow booster formula. I think it's supposed to help grow your brows and lashes. And I love lash growth serums. I use one every day. This retails for $49 on the Dermalect website. So that's pretty cool, but I got a lash growth serum last month in Boxycharm, so I'm surprised I already got another one, but I do love these, so not mad about that either. Here I have, this is from Ole Hendrickson, Truth Brightening All Day, Blurs and Primes. Oh, it's the Banana Bright Face Primer. Ooh, I am very excited about this. I've heard so many good things about this brand, and I think I've even heard specifically about the Banana Bright Face Primer, and this sounds perfect. It has vitamin C, and I love vitamin C for my skin. It really helps to clear up blemishes and brighten my skin, so this will be so great to use as a primer. I have a feeling this is expensive, so let me look up the retail value on this as well. Yeah, I see you can buy this at Sephora for $38. Let's see, next up I have from Milk Makeup. Ooh, I get excited when I get Milk Makeup products. This is Long Wear Gel Eyeliner. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? I think this is a black eyeliner. Oh, Why? Why do I have to keep getting black eyeliners? Looks like it's got a smudger on that end and then a gel pencil on this end. Well, I was excited to get some Milk makeup products, but like I've said a lot in my videos, I don't want any more black eyeliners. And here's another one. This retails for $22 at Sephora. And then, ooh, I got a MAC product. I'm very excited about the brands that I got in this so far. So this is the Satin Lipstick in the shade Mocha. Ooh, I love lipsticks, and MAC makes a classic, amazing lipstick. And this right here is one of their classic lipsticks. Let's look at it. Ooh, pretty. It actually is kind of similar to the lip color I have on right now, which what I'm wearing right now is a Wander Beauty lip oil, which I love. So good for my dry lips. The MAC Satin Lipsticks retail for $19. I think that might be my first full-size MAC lipstick. I have mini, like a mini version. Oh my gosh. And last but not least, I have a Ciate London product. How many times have I said that I always get a Ciate London product in my beauty subscription boxes every single month? I also say that I always get black eyeliner every single month. So now I feel like, oh my gosh, I've like jinxed myself. Those are two things that it's actually like a joke now that I'm always getting Ciate London and black eyeliners. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, this is the Editor Palette New England. Ooh, that's where I live. Let's see. All right. Nice packaging on this. Oh my gosh. This is a beautiful eyeshadow palette. And I love the packaging because I love pink, and it has this huge mirror and 18 shades. Colorful, beautiful shades. There's a lot of glitter, a lot of shimmer, but there's also some mattes. Oh my gosh. I feel like I have never seen this palette before, and I am so excited about it on first impression. Okay, that was a really great product to end on. It just made me so happy and excited. And the Ciate London Editor Palette New England retails for $32. So I think I got a really high retail value in my box this month. So I'm gonna go ahead and add up all of the retails. Okay, and I'll do a quick recap of everything I got. Overall, I am very excited because this is all products that I'll use. That black eyeliner, I'll use it, but I'm not super excited about it, and I probably won't use it very quickly. But so yes, I got the Milk Makeup Long Wear Gel Eyeliner, the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer, so excited to try that, the MAC Satin Lipstick in the shade Mocha, the Dermalic XL Lash Volumizer, the After Spa Slip-On Exfoliator, and the Ciate London Editor Palette New England. I really do think this was a very well curated box to my likings. What really excites me about this box is that it's from brands that I want to purchase products from, but I just rarely actually do because they are pricey. But I got them for such an amazing deal because I spent $35 and this has a total retail value of $178. So I can't wait to try these products out. I'll be trying out the makeup products in those full dedicated review videos, and I'll keep you updated on how I like the lash serum, the exfoliator. But I think I'm more excited about this Boxycharm box than I am of all of my other Ipsy Glam bags I got in August. So I'm really excited to get my other Boxycharm box. Boxycharm just has really been impressing me. I would love to know in the comments down below what you got in your Boxycharm premium box this month. And of course, I really like to get your feedback on any of the products that I showed today if you've tried them before. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.